Outbound 4A, Washtenaw, from the Blake Transit Center, the BTC, to South University and Washtenaw. From the stand at the Blake Transit Center, we will proceed north on 4th Avenue. Again, this is the outbound 4A from the BTC to Washtenaw and South University. Passing a stoplight here at Liberty. We will continue northbound on 4th Ave until we reach Huron Street. It is at Huron where we will make a right turn. Passing Washington. Approaching Huron. On the left-hand side across the street, we have the Washtenaw County Courthouse. Making our right. There's a stop immediately after we make our right turn. Note the stop. Passing 5th Avenue. Stop approaching. Approaching Division Street. Stop approaching. As we approach State Street, please adhere to Ann Arbor crosswalk rules, allowing the right-of-way to the pedestrians and the crosswalks. Stop approaching. Roundabout Fletcher is when you want to make your move and get over to the left-hand lane as quickly and soon as you possibly can. There are no more stops on Huron. We want to set up to make our left turn to cross Glen. Our next turn is the very next left onto Xena Pitcher. Coming up right here. There are no stops on Xena Pitcher. The stoplight is Ann, where we want to make a right turn. Immediately following the right turn, there is a stop. Note stop. Approaching the roundabout, we're going to make a right turn. On the left side is the Cardiovascular Center for the University of Michigan Hospital. Immediately after coming out of the roundabout, notice the stop approaching. We're now on Observatory. Heading south on Observatory, continue through the light here at East Medical. And our next corner, we're going to make a left turn, which is Washington Heights. Near the kinesiology building and the public health building, there is a stop. Notice to the right. We ask that you use extreme caution and care when traveling on Washington Heights. On the left side, we have the Mary Markley Hall, residential hall. A lot of pedestrian traffic on Washington Heights here. As we get ready to go into a decline here, again, we ask that you use extreme care, especially in inclement weather. Right here and on the right side, we have the Ronald McDonald House. Slowly proceed around. This is going to take us back to East Medical Center Drive. At the stop sign, we want to make a left turn. Mott Hospital is on our right side. As we cross the stoplight, there is a stop, a shared stop with the University of Michigan bus system. We ask when you service this stop, if all possible, pull up as far as you possibly can to allow other buses behind you. This is a time point. When leaving this stop, you're going to get over to the left as soon and safely as you can. We're going to make another left turn onto Observatory. Making our left onto Observatory. Stop approaching. Gonna make a right here at Getty's. Don't go all the way to the light, but you want to catch this cutout right before the light. Make sure you yield to any traffic that's coming down Getty's. We're gonna proceed to the stoplight, which is Washtenaw, where we will make our left turn. After we make our left turn, notice stop approaching the Blue Line bus shelter. As we approach Washtenaw and South University, this concludes the outbound 4A from the Blake Transit Center to Washtenaw and South University.